Alright everybody, so today's project is with my 1997, beautiful, look at this, the 97 F350 dually power stroke, so the good motor. So I've been having problems with my door, especially the lock mechanism. As you can see that it is not here, the whole panel and everything. My issue is this. Don't mind this. This is my jerry rig try to fix. So I went to the junkyard today and I got this. Bam, look at that. So what is going on? If you look real closely, you'll see, I don't know if you guys can see, but this piece right here is all wallowed out. Look at that. You can just see it's not wanting, when you pull, it's not wanting to really work. This one, look at that. It's not as bad. It's a common issue with these things. So this one's just not as bad. This one's pretty bad. So when you lift up, this pulls it back. Dumb design, but it is what it is. Let's take this off. First, let's roll up the window because I gotta get in there. I have the panel for this, by the way. Bam. See this? That's my fault. Because this leaned up against it. Son of a gun. Alright. So, let's get in the back of here. So we're going to get my crescent. And reach down in here. Let's see. Reach down in there. Wow, look at all those fancy ones. Okay. And this should just pull up and out. See how that goes. Alright, so this should just slide out. And that's stuck in there, so I'm gonna have to bend it back. Alright, we're back. Alright, my glasses got too hot and stopped filming. It's not even that hot. I don't know what's going on with that, but we got it out. Here's the new one. So we're going to pull it back. Let's slide it in there. Like so. I guess I could have cleaned it up a little bit, but oh well. So we're I have to take this bolt off. Get in there. So okay, we're gonna be putting this handle back in. I will be buying a newer one, but this is the OBS Ford one, which is kind of crazy. I have a billet over there, and I'll be buying another billet for over here because I keep breaking. Look at that beauty. Come in here, this thing locks like that. My butter, buddy. Heck yeah, alright, let's put everything back on. And boom, all done. Man, I really messed it up, but that's beside the point. Let's put the key in. Okay. Down. Up. Alright, let's test it. I honestly haven't tested to see if the door will open or shut. So this will be the first time. Door shut. Oh. Woo, do you see that? Look. That's never did that. Also, what the heck? I wonder if I'm missing a screw in there. Alright, so I'm gonna take that back off. I might have been missing the screw. It's pretty wobbly right there, but that opens beautifully. Couldn't ask for anything better. So thank you for watching. That is a wrap. And that's how you replace the little actuator inside. So it's not that hard. Not actuator, but the little door actuator, I guess. It's not hard, super easy. Go to your junkyard. I spent $30 for this part. And I would, Amazon and eBay, they didn't even have the left side for the driver's side. They had the right side. So, all right, guys. Thank you for watching. See ya. Bye.